Okay, I have my list. I need eggs, milk, and... Wait, what does this say? Cilantro? Or is it parsley? And why are there 20 different kinds of milk?
David, you look lost. Are you okay?
Oh, hey, Sarah. I am totally lost. I just wanted to make a simple dinner, but this American supermarket is huge. I don't know where anything is, and I'm too scared to ask.
Don't panic. You are in the right place. Today, we are turning this confusion into confidence.
You mean I'm actually going to leave here with groceries?
Better than that, you're going to leave with groceries and great English skills. Welcome to TalkEasy English. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the TalkEasy English podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm David. We are so happy to have you shopping with us today.
Today's episode is special because we are going to a place you visit every single week, the supermarket.
Or as we often call it in the U.S., the grocery store.
Exactly. Whether you live in New York, Los Angeles, or you are just visiting, you need to eat. But grocery shopping in English can be stressful.
It really can. There are weird names for vegetables. The cashiers talk very fast, and using the self-checkout machine is, well, it's a nightmare.
We've got you covered. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly what to say to find what you need, how to pay, and how to handle American small talk at the register.
Before we grab our shopping carts, please do us a huge favor. If you want to improve your English every week, hit that subscribe button right now.
And tap the like button. It helps other students find these lessons. Ready to go shopping, David?
I'm starving. Let's go.
Okay, visualize this. We are walking through the automatic sliding doors.
Ooh, it's cold. Why is it always so cold in American grocery stores?
That's the air conditioning. It keeps the food fresh. Now, look to your right. What is the first thing you grab?
I grab a shopping cart. That's the big wire wagon on wheels, right?
Correct. In the U.S., we usually say cart. In the U.K., they might say trolley. But here, stick with shopping cart.
And if I'm only buying a few things? Like just bread and milk?
Then you grab a basket. That's the plastic container you carry in your hand.
Got it. Cart for a lot of food, basket for a quick trip. Exactly. Now, most supermarkets in the U.S. follow a specific layout. When you first walk in, you usually enter the produce section. Produce? That sounds like a verb. To produce something.
Good catch. It is spelled the same, but the pronunciation is different. When it's a verb, we say produce. But when we talk about fruits and vegetables, we say produce.
P-R-O-duce, okay. So, apples, bananas, lettuce, carrots. That is all produce.
Perfect. This is usually the healthiest part of the store. Now let's move deeper into the store. We are walking down the aisles.
Aisle. That is a tricky word. It starts with an A, but it sounds like aisle. A-I-S-L-E.
Yes. An aisle is the walkway between the shelves. You'll see signs hanging above them. Aisle 1, Aisle 2, Aisle 3.
And what is usually in the aisles?
This is where you find dry goods. Things like cereal, rice, pasta, and canned beans.
Okay. But Sarah, I have a question. I am looking for milk and eggs. I walked down all the aisles, but I can't find them.
That is a supermarket trick. The dairy section, milk, cheese, yogurt, eggs, is almost always at the very back of the store.
Why the back?
So you have to walk past all the cookies and chips to get to the milk. They want you to buy more.
That is sneaky. Okay, so dairy is in the back. What about bread?
Bread and cakes are in the bakery, and meat, like chicken or beef, is in the meat department.
And usually, There is a deli nearby, right?
Yes. The deli is where you get sliced turkey, ham, or special cheeses. You have to order from a person there.
Okay, Sarah, I know the sections now, but here is my problem. I am looking for quinoa. I don't know where it is and I don't know how to ask.
No problem. Asking for help is easy if you know the formula. You can simply say, "Excuse me, where can I find the quinoa?"
Where can I find? Simple enough.
Or, if you want to sound very polite, you can say, "Excuse me, could you tell me which aisle the peanut butter is in?"
Which aisle is it in? I like that. What if I'm looking for something but the shelf is empty?
Great question. You can ask an employee, "Do you have any more of this in the back?"
In the back. That means in the storage room?
Exactly. Sometimes they have more stock that isn't on the shelf yet.
And what if I want to know the price? Sometimes the sticker is missing.
Then you ask, "How much is this?" Or, "Is this on sale?"
On sale. That means it is cheaper than usual, right?
Yes. In the US, you will often see yellow stickers that say, "Buy one, get one free," or BOGO.
BOGO. I love a good BOGO deal. Okay, my cart is full. I have my produce, my dairy, and my BOGO cookies. Now I need to pay.
It's time for the checkout. You have two choices. You can go to a cashier, a real person, or you can use the self-checkout.
I'm feeling brave today. Let's go to a real cashier. I put my food on the moving black belt thing. What is that called?
That is the conveyor belt.
Conveyor belt. And I put that little plastic stick between my groceries and the person behind me.
That is called the divider. It separates your order from the next customer's order.
Now, this is the part that scares me. The cashier starts talking.
In the US, cashiers are very friendly. They will almost always ask, "Did you find everything okay?"
Oh, that's nice. What should I say?
Just keep it simple. Say, "Yes, I did. Thank you."
And then they ask the famous question, paper or plastic?
Right. They are asking about bags. Do you want paper bags or plastic bags? But actually, David, nowadays many places ask, "Did you bring your own bags?"
Oh, right. Reusable bags are very popular now, so I can say, I have my own bags.
Exactly. Then comes payment. The cashier might ask, "Cash or card?"
I usually use my card.
Then you might hear, "Please insert your chip," or "You can tap to pay."
Tap to pay. That's where I just touch my card to the machine?
Yes, it's very common. After you pay, the cashier will hand you a receipt. That's the paper with the list of what you bought.
And they always end with, have a good one.
Yes, "Have a good one" just means "have a good day."
Okay, Sarah. I think I'm ready. Can we try a role play? I really want to hear how this sounds in a real conversation.
Great idea. I will be the cashier, and you are the customer. Ready?
Ready.
Hi there. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. Did you find everything okay?
Actually, I couldn't find the almond milk. Is it out of stock?
Oh, I think we moved it to aisle 12, next to the cereal. Do you want me to have someone grab it for you?
No, that's okay. I'll get it next time.
All right. Do you have a loyalty card with us?
No, I don't.
Okay. Would you like paper or plastic bags today?
Plastic is fine, please.
Okay, your total comes to $45.50. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Go ahead and insert your chip. Beep. All right, here is your receipt. Have a good one.
Thanks, you too.
Good job, David. You sounded very natural.
Thanks. You know, you mentioned something interesting in that role play. You asked about a loyalty card.
Yes, this is a big cultural tip for the U.S. Almost every supermarket has a rewards program or a loyalty card.
Is that like a credit card?
No, it's free. It's usually a small card or an app on your phone. If you sign up, you get lower prices.
Oh. So if the price tag says $5 regular price and $3 member price, I need the card to get the $3 price.
Exactly. So if the cashier asks, "Do you have a phone number with us?" they are asking for your loyalty account. It saves you money.
That is a pro tip. I love saving money. What about tipping? Do I tip the cashier?
No, do not tip at the grocery store. It is not expected. But if there is a person who helps you carry your bags to your car, we call them a bagger. Sometimes older people might tip them $1, but usually no tipping.
Good to know. And one last thing, weights and measures. In the U.S., we don't use kilograms, right?
Correct. We use pounds, lbs. So at the deli, you don't ask for 500 grams of cheese. You ask for 1 pound or half a pound.
Half a pound, got it. That's roughly 225 grams, I think.
Close enough. All right, listeners, now it is your turn. We are going to practice speaking. I will say a phrase, and I want you to repeat it out loud.
Don't be shy. Talk to your phone or computer. Let's build that muscle memory.
Ready? Phrase number 1. Asking for a location. Excuse me, which aisle is the coffee in?
Go ahead. Say it. Excuse me, which aisle is the coffee in?
Good. Phrase number 2. Asking about freshness. Is this milk fresh?
Your turn. Is this milk fresh?
Phrase number 3. At the checkout. I have my own bags, thank you.
Say it loud. I have my own bags, thank you.
And finally, the politeness. Thanks, have a good one.
Thanks, have a good one.
Excellent work.
Whew, we survived the supermarket trip. We got the produce, we navigated the aisles, and we even saved money with our loyalty card.
You did great. And to our listeners, going to the supermarket in a foreign country can be scary, but remember, it is also the best classroom.
It really is. Every item has a name. Every sign is a reading lesson.
My advice? Next time you go shopping, take your time. Read the signs. Listen to what the person in front of you says to the cashier.
And don't be afraid to make a mistake. If you say trolley instead of cart, people will still understand you. They might just think you're British.
Exactly. Communication is the goal, not perfection.
Well, that's all for today's episode. We hope you feel hungry for more English learning.
If you found this lesson helpful, please share it with a friend who is learning English. And don't forget to check out our other episodes on TalkEasy English.
Grab your shopping list, get out there, and practice.
Thanks for listening. Happy shopping. Bye, everyone. Have a good one.